Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to connect your laptop to your smart TV wirelessly. So first thing is to download this Miracast app, and second thing is your laptop and your smart TV should be same Wi-Fi. So download the Miracast and open it, and in your laptop press Windows and K. Here my TV name is given here, you can see. Just click on. Here you can see my laptop is mirrored to smart TV. Here we have options duplicate, extend and secondary screen only. So here you can extend also. Here you go. If you want to mirror, select the duplicate. So here you can see my laptop is mirrored to smart TV. So yeah, it's working perfectly and not lagging or not delay issue. If you want to stop the mirroring, just in your TV remote, click on back button. So that's it. So this is a simple video of how to mirror laptop to smart TV. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.